Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. It is a plain Goodwill Commodities charting tool. As I had mentioned you earlier, we will be putting a lot of focus on the chart reading and the price flow analysis. Then later we will see the exact original Goodwill charting tool with all the indicators added. You can notice this red color line. This red color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 6290s. We always take the LTP, whatever we are seeing around 10 o'clock, as the price opening for our analysis. And we had identified in our yesterday's weekly analysis that 6320 can act as a major resistance zone, because only after breaking the 320 the price came down. So we made it clear, if the price is staying above 6320, it can go for buying, else there are a lot of chances that the price can again come down for selling. Even we saw and we witnessed a pullback on the previous day's market, that was on the last week Friday. What happened after the price opening? You can notice the price straight away came and tested this 6260. Here you can see the difference. After breaking this 6260, the price straight away fell down. It changes its angle because it was also a major support zone. If you notice on the Friday's price action, you can see the price took a lot of resistance here. Only after clearing this, the price could move above. So there was a lot of free fall after breaking 6260, which indicates the market was in good selling. The next zone was 6220, the next support and the target zone. So if you notice what happened on the previous day, that was on 7th of March, the price took a lot of support around 6220. So taking a support here, the price went up. So in the same way, the price trying to convert the 6220 into a resistance. Now you can see the price, crude oil price, was converting the 6220, which was earlier a support, into a resistance that pushed the price down again to the next zone of 6170 and between 6160. If you want to know what is the price action that happened, go back and see that on March 6th, you can notice that after a free fall from 6220, the market took the support in the same zone around 6160. But after breaking that, it came down to reach 6126, our next target zone. Exactly in the same way, after taking a resistance around 6220, the price came down and it took the support around 6160. Constantly our support zone was supporting the price. You can notice that finally it closed around 6178. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's market. Everything went as per our plan. Now let us see the open, high, low, close analysis. Yesterday's price opening, when we compare with the previous days, it was quite higher and it could not create a new high apart from the opening spike. We don't consider that. And it had created a new low compared to the previous day, and the price closing far below the price opening and the previous day's price closing, which clearly indicates that the market was completely dominated by the sellers. Now let us see our all the charting and indicators added Goodwill Commodities charting tool. So now it looks like this, whatever we are providing as a charting tool. There is no change in the candlestick. The candlestick remains the same, as we had mentioned it many times. It is not a time based candlestick, it is a price volume based candlestick. So straight after the price opening, it's indicating that there is a lot of momentum for selling. So it is also guiding us. Once the price broke the 6000, the moving average around 6240, it got momentum. Now you can see exactly at every stage the price was indicating that it was completely dominated by the sellers, and if you can notice that in this zone of 6160 it took a lot of white color candlestick, which indicates the price was consolidating. So it made it very easy. When we see the Goodwill Commodity Charting tool, it provided us a clear indication. So that is how the things worked. We work on chart trading, and also we work on seeing the indication whatever is provided in the charting tool. That can give us a lot of confidence to take our trading decision. Today the expected price opening can be somewhere near the same zone around 6170s and between 6180. The only thing which we should be focusing is on 6160. If the price can break 6160, it can easily target 6126, which was the previous. As I told you what happened on the previous March month, this is the next target we are expecting. If the trend continues, you can expect crude oil to reach 6060s also, if the trend continues. So we need to put a lot of focus on this area, because yesterday it had made a clear support around 6160 zone. The second focus will be on 6220. We cannot take this easily. Yesterday we saw the price was taking a resistance here. On the previous day, that was Friday, the price was taking a support here. So if the price is moving above 6220, you can see the average is also coming and converging at this point. So short term, there will be some short term buying that can push the price from between 6220 to 6260, in between this zone. So these are the two areas which we need to focus and look for our Goodwill charting tool indication also. And let us see, today also we are expecting that crude has got the potential to continue its downtrend, but put your focus on these two areas. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.